received my Map of the Soul 7 all 4 versions and I'm gonna unbox this soon. So let's bring it on!
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited to open each one of them and I can't wait to see what photo cards I have received. So as we have all 4 versions guys, I'll go through version 1 to version 4 in the same order. So this is the version 1. I have ordered this from the K-pop store online. So this is from Instagram store. I don't remember the price for which I have bought this, so I'll just put the description of the price on the video somewhere. So this is how the version 1 looks you guys. This comes in this pink version. Here it is version 1. Out of all 4 boxes, version 1 was slightly damaged because I think when they packed it, this was the album that was at the top. So I think this was slightly damaged, but it is okay. It's not like some borders has ripped off. So this is pretty cute. Here they have written Map of the Soul and this gives pretty matte rule. I don't know if you can see this, but here there are some lines. And this looks really pretty, and at the back this looks like this. There's a BTS logo and oh my god, I'm so excited to open this. Yay! Okay, so when we open this, here we have this CD. The CD looks really pretty. I don't want to take this out because I barely watch any series. I haven't watched any CD from the albums, so I don't want to spoil that. So this is the CD, and then we have this Map of the Soul book. Oh my god, and I think this is the photo card. I'm really excited. I'm hoping this is J-Hope because I'm pulling a lot of J-Hope these days, or Namjoon. I'm not sure who this is. I'm telling you, I'm a Namjoon magnet, you guys. I really pull a lot of Namjoon, and I'm really happy with this photo card because you can see this purple hair. Oh my god, he looks so pretty, and look at this hand and the dimple. This is really pretty. I'm really happy with my pull. So this is Namjoon's photo card, and then we have this lyric book, I guess. This is version 1. We have all the songs in Map of the Soul 7 album list and the timings. This is really cute. Have this songs in the back, also same songs. This is really cute, and this is the QR code viewers card. I barely use these cards. I don't know, I never scanned them. And here is the notes. They wrote something in Korean. I will definitely translate this to see what they have written. This looks really cute. And then we have this big hit card, pretty. Then we have this Map of the Soul 7. I think this is to color. We can color this, I guess. And then oh my god, this is so pretty. This is so pretty. This is the OD7 card, and with this signatures. Oh my god, this is so cute. Really love this one. We can frame this one. This is really pretty. And then we have this sticker set. Look at this hair on Yoongi. They all are so funny. I think they decorated this themselves. This is so cute. The little devil. Oh my god, this is so cute. And then we have this Map of the Soul 7. This is the end. Then we have this something. Okay, we have this engraved in 7. I don't want to remove the sticker. Let's see if I can open from this. Okay. So carefully open that one. Then this. Okay, so this is in this manner. So I want you to show everything in this one. So in the back this is like this. This is the first one, and then we have the second one here. Okay, so these are 2 different concepts. I guess I will go in the same manner so that we won't miss anything. Oh, here is Juni, so cute. I really wanted to know who got this idea. This is really incredible. And this Yoongi, so pretty as usual. And then we have this color concept. This Jimin, Jungkook, so pretty. Oh my god. Oh, he looks so dreamy. He looks like that anime character. He's so pretty. Oh my god. Then we have Jin. This is so cute. I really love this concept. So I'm not sure which concept is my favorite out of the 4 versions, but these are really pretty. Oh my god, looks like a prince cape. Oh my god, so cute. We have Jin. Oh my god, look at his facial features. Jin. Then we have Jimin, Jungkook. Oh, Yoongi. I think there are some kind of thorns here. Oh my god, I hope he didn't get hurt. Namjoon also has something of thorns. Oh me, so cute. And then we have this OD7 in the end. Yes, these are really pretty. I really like this concept. This is really pretty. So this is the version 1, you guys, and in version 1 we have pulled Namjoon in the photo card. Now let's move on to version 2. So here is the version 2. This is Black Swan. If you can see, I have made my nails into this Black Swan concept. My friend Crazy Nails designed these for me. I really love the Black Swan song and I really love the nails. So let's moving on to this version 2. It is similar to how the looks, but it's really pretty black and blue matte, and this is how the back looks. And now I'm opening this one. Okay, so here is the CD, the pretty CD, and then we have notes again. I wonder if all the notes have the same message. I'm not sure about it. This is for the coloring. Oh, I guess this is the photo card, and I have received OT7 photo card. That's pretty cute. Okay, and then we have this. We were scanning code. Oh, this is really pretty too. We got this OT7 postcard, I guess. And then we have the lyric book, sticker set. So I really don't want to damage it with my nails. So here we have got this cute little sticker. I don't want to damage the sticker, so I'll just open this. And then I'm opening this. This concept is really dark. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see their faces. This is pretty dark concept. I hope you are able to see this. It's really cute. Oh my god, this is pitch black. It's pretty dark for a Black Swan, but that's what Black Swan concept is all about, right? Pretty dark. But they look like black angels. That is so pretty. Oh my god, they do look like Victoria's Secret angels here. This is so pretty. Oh, I wonder if there was a photo card of this. I haven't seen the photo cards of this Map of the Soul version, so I'm not sure if the single photo cards has that version of because that looks pretty hot. Oh my god, look, the thread on his face. This is so pretty. Hobby. The thread concept is pretty unique. It's cute. So this is the second version. In the second version we have received this OD7 photo card. Now moving on to version 3. Version 3 has this pretty red and blue vibes, and then this is really cute, and the CD, the color is so pretty. Oh my god. The photo card was visible in the front. Oh my god, this is my first time, I guess. I'm pulling Jimin. Oh wait, I pulled Jimin in Butter as well, but this one, look at his hair color. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Oh my god, I'm really in love with this photo card. And then we have this one. It was cute. This coloring sheet, and then we have this OT7 postcard, sticker set, the notes, then the lyric book, and then we're moving on to this one. So I just want to ask, what is your oh here, this is a sticker, so cute. What's your favorite song on Map of the Soul 7? Generally guys, Louder Than Bombs is one of my most favorite song all time. And the moment when Bangtan barely recognized Louder Than Bombs, I was like shook. Oh my god, that makes sense now, because they didn't perform Louder Than Bombs at least once, because they barely remember that the song exists. Oh my god, I'm really very eagerly waiting to watch that Louder Than Bombs performance. I hope they visit India and then we can go watch them live. This is so pretty. My god, I would like to have some dinner with them. Dinner with 7 gentlemen. So pretty. Oh my god, Taehyung literally looks like a Greek god who has just invited me to dinner, and I'm so intrigued that I cannot eat anything, because this man could literally do no wrong. And look at just Jin. Jin is definitely aging backwards. Oh my fave, everyone. Oh my god, Yoongi. I like this Milliman jewelry that they wear. They're so pretty. Namjoon, I love that lavenderish hair. So, look at Jimin, so cute. This looks like Salvatore Rain. The vampires, oh my god. Imagine if Bangtan ever acted in a vampire themed music video. What will happen to us? Oh my god. This is our vampire version 3, and here we put Jimin. I'm really so excited about Jimin. Now our final version 4. So here is our final version, guys, and the most famous version, I guess, out of the 4. This one is really cute. I even purchased a pin in this color. I'll show you when it arrives. I purchased it from a Singapore store, I believe. So this is the CD. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I just got a peek, but I'm not sure. I'm really hoping it's Yoongi, because I have never pulled Yoongi, and Yoongi is my like best record these days. Oh my god, oh my god. Ah! Oh my god, that's Yoongi. Oh my god, I'm so happy I pulled Yoongi at least. Oh my god, look at his face. He's so freaking cute. This is so cute. I didn't really imagine that I'll pull Yoongi out of these 4, because I genuinely didn't pull him out of all the albums I purchased till now. This is so cute. I'm so happy. Thank you. And then we have this note. The OT7. Oh! I got 2 OT7 postcards. Oh my god, lucky me. Thank you, viewers. And then we have this big hit card, the coloring paper, and this QR code, lyrical book, and then the sticker set. And in the end we have this poster. Oh, this one got a little folded, but it's okay. No, it's definitely not okay. So I don't know if you can see this. This is Little 7 Map of the Soul. And then we have this one, the funky concept. Oh my god, look at them, look at them. This just looks so cute. Oh, this concept is so pretty. They all look so happy. Childish. I really watched this Bangtan Bomb, and this is one of the cutest Bangtan Bombs. I really love how Big Hit or Hype captures every little thing of what our idols do and release them as Bangtan Bombs, because that is really something very cherished by armies all over the world. I really love them. Look at them. So cute. Oh, he really looks like a baby lion. His smile. Oh my god, I really love them. So cute. Oh, the transfer student who is really handsome. Oh my god, I really want to put it on my wall, but I wonder if I put it on my wall it will get damaged, but I'm not sure. This is so cute. Jin, Suga, Ree, Jungkook, RM, Jimin, J-Hope. Then this is. So guys, I'm really happy with all the 4 versions and my photo card pulls. So this is my version 4, and this is my version 3. This is my version 2, and this is my version 1. So these are my photo card pulls. I'm really happy with my photo card pulls. So these are really cute, and I hope you enjoyed this video. So please don't forget to like, comment and share, and if you really like this video, please do share it with Follow Indian Army so that they can see my unboxing videos, and please do support my channel. Thank you. Bye.